I'm going to do a quick tutorial on what I do for my dark under eye circles because I feel so passionately about this subject. It's one area of my face that I'm really self-conscious about. As you can see, I wake up with a lot of redness and a deep concave. So what I do to help combat this is I use the age-defying, here you go, eye and lip roller from Airel Skin, and I roll it on underneath. It's very lightweight, so you're going to have to pat it in your eyes, and I roll so. So you're just going to have to lightly pat it, dab it, and that helps too if you can kind of like massage it in. I think that always helps release any puffiness. Kind of just breaking up the skin also. So massage it in like that. And then once I put some of the concealer on the brush, I just gently dab under here and under here. And then I will... So now that it's all blended in, that's what it looks like. 10 times better, super easy. Sometimes I take a little extra that's on the brush and put it on my eyelids as well. I'll use a tinted moisturizer, bronzer, and then call it a day. Super easy. Now all my makeup is done, ready for the day.